So let's have, and I welcome you the, this is your Beyblade X CX07 Pegasus Blast. Wow, yeah, I know this is very new because the beat and the ratchet is already connected to each other, which it has a gimmick which is really like of Jinga's Pegasus on the Metal Fusion or Metal Fight. This is the person who owns the Pegasus Blast, and very new to me because this is a CX, so you can assemble or disassemble the attack ring, very old. But you can disassemble the blade, which it consists of the different parts, which is your gear chip, your primary blade, and then your ancillary blade or the auxiliary blade. I don't know what will be the which is, it's called I think it's called arrow, then TR track. I don't know what's a TR right here. Yeah, it's TR. That's why it's called Pegasus Blast ATR. Okay, so there's no number. Yeah, there's no number. So it's a very really new and unique on the Beyblade X. I think it's the only one that has this kind of Beyblade. Yeah. Okay, so I don't have the Banky stickers because I bought this outside or in the overseas.